Cutting internal threads in metals plates are essential for many tasks. A tap wrench is a tool used to turn taps and make a thread or other small tools, such as hand reamers and screw extractors. A handle for tap tool is designed from a sprocket wheel with which you can make thread in metals plates easily as shown. Cut the teeth from sprocket and pass a center bolt from it connecting with a drill chuck. In the drill chuck you can easily connect tap or reamer etc. for threading. Mechanical seals are devices intended to prevent the fluid, water or oil, used by a machine from leaking to the external environment. Here a seal fitter is shown with you can easily set the seal at the required position.